Hello everyone, I just wanted to pop on real quick and do a real quick paper pumpkin video for you. This is the Kisses and Hugs January 2022 kit that we got late this month, but it's beautiful and it's an awesome kit for Valentine's. So I hope you enjoy my video. But if you could please subscribe to my channel and check out my blog for the supply list for things I'm going to use besides the kit. And I thank you for stopping by and tuning in. So here is this month's kit. In every kit, you of course get your little stamping spot, a stamp set, and you'll get some adhesives, little gems, your full instructions, and everything that you need to make this kit. And on the side, it always has a measuring tape. It has on the back, it will tell you what is in your kit and all the colors that match, and do more with this month's kit, different ideas that you can make too. So this kit made 10 cards, 5 of each design. So you got 5 of the Very Vanilla and 5 of the Blushing Bride heart cards. They also have a little more Love to Give in its little boxes. And it comes with the little tags and the twine as well. And you could get these separately. And they're available to order in my Stampin' Up! Store. So here are 2 of the cards. I'm going to put this aside here. So here's the 2 cards that the kit makes. And it makes 10. So 5 of each one. So this one is a For You. And you open it up and it's got your X's and O's and Love You More there. I think these are adorable. I love the envelopes. And the second one is like this, and it has Friend, and you open it up and it's got For You, and you can write whatever you like on there. But if anybody knows me, they know I rip apart my kit and I make all different things. So anyway, this is one card I made. I'm going to put them up there. So all I did here was I took one of my heart punch and I punched out the hearts that come with the sets. Hold on. So I cut out these hearts. So I cut a heart out of that, out of the plain, and out of the dots in each color. And I've used the 3 hearts here, and I stamped there, and I used just a little arrow, and I cut up an envelope, and just the gems on there, or the sequins, and I've got a little heart on the inside. I didn't put anything else in that. But I think they're adorable. And this one, I cut up an envelope. So this is your envelope. So you've got this pink, you've got the X's and O's on that side. And then I did use a little piece of our Very Vanilla cardstock. And I stamped Love You on those. But all it is was just a mismatch of strips and glued them on there onto a Flirty Flamingo background. And then I put it on the Very Vanilla. And I've got the heart, the pink heart is underneath, then the gold and white heart with the word Friend. And inside I've just got Love You with that little heart again. And we're going to make one just like this, but the opposite. Instead of doing the vanilla, I decided to do the pink. So let's set that aside. So yeah, that's it in your kit. So now you just got, I've got all these envelopes and stuff left to make more that I haven't done, and everything's in my little envelopes. And these were all my extra bits from the envelopes and pieces that I had left. But your kits every month make beautiful projects. If you're not a subscriber, you might want to check it out. It's lovely. I love doing my kits every month. So I'm going to put this up and we're going to do a vanilla one. And I'll tell you what you need. Put that aside too. You will need an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, and I have Very Vanilla. Score it at 4 1/4 and fold and burnish it really well so it sits pretty, right? So it will sit nice and flat and straight, right? And then you will need 2 little strips of your X's and O's from the back inside of your envelope. And we're going to cut these down, so just cut it across right now. You will need 1 of your arrows from your kit. And I punched out 3 hearts using my heart punch. You can use any small punch if you had a punch, or some dies if you had some heart dies. That would work too. Or if you're really brave, you could fold your paper in half and cut you a heart. I'm not very good at doing that, so I needed the punch. But anyway, this is how it works, and it's really simple to make. I'm just going to put it on plain vanilla this time. And I'm going to like put that down and that one there. And just put some tape in the back. And then this side. And there. And this one I'm going to stamp on before I put it on here. But I can put a little bit of tape on here and here. And place that on, and we can literally do this as well. So let's put some tape up top, some tape up on the bottom, and adhere these as well. I like starting with an O, if I could start with an O. So I don't know why, just thought I'd start with an O. Put that there, and then same with this one. Start with that O. You could leave a little gap at the bottom if you like. There. And then we're going to trim these off. So I'm just going to take my scissors and trim that. I didn't get it very even at the top. Trim that. That. And for this, we're just going to put all that in the trash. And I need to stamp. So on here I have the Love You, and I have the little heart I'm going to do on the inside. Oops, I need to put the heart on the front. So I'm going to take it off my little set. I need a heart. I'm just putting them all on blocks. Forgot about these ones. That, and I'm doing Love You, so that'd be good. So I'm going to use my full size. In your kit, of course, you get the stamping spot, which is the grey granite. And I'm going to use my full size. So, ink it up, and I'm going to put it at the top, kind of, like so. And then I'm going to put this around the edge. Sorry if my head gets in the way. Might not have it very even. No, of course I didn't have it very even. Pretend I did. Then we're going to do the Love You. I'm going to put it there. Like so. And I wanted an arrow too. There we go. We could do an arrow. See, I did this one much straighter. Oh dear. But it's on there. I can't take it off now. And you get the picture. I guess that's... what all you need to do is make sure you're looking over it and stamping correctly, and I didn't. I haven't been well. I haven't done a video again because I was in the hospital and I just got out, so I wanted to try and get one done. So I figured I'd do this easy one. So I'll just put that on there. You could literally color that in if you wanted to, and that is going to go on there. So you can take some dimensionals. You get some small ones in your kit, but I'm going to just use some of my regular ones. Take 3, put them on there, peel it off. And I want to put it down a bit. There we go, that's good. So just put them on there. And on the inside, I just want to put this little heart. I think it's cute. I'm just going to put it down in the bottom. Like that, on an ankle. I love that little heart. I think it's cute, little arrow. And that's how quick and easy that card was. They're all quick and easy. I love this month's kit. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you could make your own cards, hope you do it straighter than I did. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Everyone who has subscribed the past few weeks, because I went below the threshold, and now I'm back up over the threshold for the YouTube partner program. And I appreciate you watching, and you all have a great evening. Thank you. Bye-bye.